Are you struggling to find the menu item to switch branches in Xcode 9? You're not alone. Many users have faced this issue, and today we're going to help you navigate through it. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when the tools you rely on seem to disappear. If you've been searching for the working copies menu and can't find it, you're in the right place. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, I am having trouble finding the menu item to switch branch using Xcode 9. The working copies menu seems to have disappeared. Any ideas? Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be happening here? Xcode 9 introduced some changes that might have altered how you access the branch switching feature. Understanding these changes will help us find a solution. And stick around. I have a helpful tip at the end that will make switching branches a breeze in the future. To switch branches in Xcode 9, the user should first open the source control menu. This can be done by clicking on the source control option in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Next, the user needs to select the branches option from the drop-down menu. This will display a list of available branches in the project. Now, the user can choose the branch they want to switch to. They should simply click on the desired branch from the list. Finally, the user should confirm the branch switch. Xcode will automatically update the working copy to reflect the selected branch. Fun fact, did you know that Xcode was first released in 2003? It has come a long way since then, but sometimes it can still throw us a curveball. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for switching branches in Xcode 9 involves a few simple steps. First, press the Show Navigator button located in the top right corner of Xcode. Next, open the Project Navigator and expand the Remotes folder. This will give you access to your remote branches. Finally, expand the Origin folder, right-click on the branch you want to use, and select Checkout. This will switch you to the desired branch. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests visiting a detailed guide for using Git in Xcode 9. This guide covers essential functionalities like committing, pulling, and pushing changes. Here's that helpful tip I promised. Familiarize yourself with the keyboard shortcuts for switching branches. This can save you time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to switch branches in Xcode 9 with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to check out our bonus content for mastering Xcode.